Hi guys, we have installed kickboards, toe boards, whatever you'd like to call them, and here's how we did it. After the kickboards were removed, this is the initial look. We installed the kickboards in 4 places. Here, we cut the wood pieces 3 inches in length and 5/8 of an inch in width. We cut enough pieces for all the cabinets. Now we're sanding to remove any excess splinters. Here, we place the wood pieces underneath the cabinets just to make sure that we have enough. Here we are using an 18 narrow crow stapler with 1¼ staples. Placing them a little above the tiles. Making sure that the wood piece is flush against the edge. Repeating the process to all the edges. Attach all the wood pieces and making sure everything is good. We are using painter's tape to mark the center of the wood piece. We first used a pencil, but that wasn't very effective, so we had to move to the marker. My dad's so-called princess came out of her caves to do some work.
Now that we have all the tape marks, we're going to put up the boards. This looks really beautiful. Well, now we're done with this. Let's nail it.
Cleaning before we attach the boards.
So we actually made a mistake. The tape is inside there, and when we put the nails in here, it's going to be hard for us to take off the tape, so we just have to remove it.
This is an 18-inch brad nailer that we use. 1.25 nails.
Now that we nailed it onto the border, then we'll remove it like this. Done.
All the boards are installed, one final inspection.
So we put up the borders except this one, and now we're going to put these.
We're applying wood glue to the back of the plates, and we're going to attach them. Here we're using a 20-inch pin nailer and 1-inch nails. Lastly, we are installing the sideboards. Finally, the project is complete. This is the final check. If you're interested in our content, please like and subscribe.